Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I bought 20 bottles of paint online the other day and it was actually very cheap. I think it came to about 56 euro, which is really cheap. So yeah, I'm going to do an unboxing video of that, and then later on in the video I'm going to do a pour using all the paints, maybe. We'll see. So let's get right to it. Sorry if you can hear the rain out there, it's absolutely lashing rain. As to say, it was a April showers bring May flowers. Well, it's definitely raining out there now. This package I got is from Cork Art Supplies. It's a place in Ireland called Cork. It's on the west side of Ireland. I'm on the southeast side. And I got here in, was it Wednesday I ordered them, and I got them literally like 9 o'clock this morning. It's like 10:30 right now, so I'm extremely excited to open this box and look at all the paints I got. I know what I got, but no, there's still that excitement. Oh yeah, I did buy canvas as well. But I bought round canvas and they were €4 each for round ones, which is like extremely cheap as well. This is I think my third or fourth time ordering from here, and it's just great service. What's this? Okay. So I got 4 of these little round canvases. 8-inch prime stretch canvas. So stay tuned for pours on these. Put them off to the side, but look at all the paint I got. Should be 20 bottles of paint, I'm pretty sure. This stuff here, Galleria titanium white, that was really cheap. That was on sale. I think it was €12 for 500ml, which is like ridiculous, like for Galleria. Winsor & Newton. So that's the first bottle I got, titanium white by Galleria. Then I got another big black, Reeves Mars black. Normally I use what's it called, Royal and Langnickel Mars black, but so I'm excited to see what this stuff is like. Hopefully it's not as thick as the other stuff. The other stuff is like tar. Let's open this one, sure. Everything's like wrapped in cling film. Oh. So nice. This is light blue by Daller and Rounding. Simply acrylic. Never used this stuff before, so I was excited to get it. Yeah, it's definitely like a sky blue colour. Just awesome. That off to the side. I guess I'll go for the smallest package up to the biggest. This stuff reminds me of folk art, but it's all called Artiste. by Do Crafts. I've used this brand of paint before and it's brilliant. Absolutely love the stuff. It's called Periwinkle. Then this stuff is called Bahama Blue. It's very dark now, it's kind of like a navy colour. This stuff is Blackberry. You see it's like it's a purple. Comes up a little bit darker on camera, but it's like a purple. It's not actually that dark. This one is Electric Blue. And this one is Lagoon. Excuse me. Yeah, it's kind of like a turquoise, I guess. This stuff is so hard to open. This is Puddle Medium. I've used Mother of Pearl before. I think I actually bought some as well, so I'll show you that one when I find it. This stuff basically turns any paint you want into a pearl type, I guess. It's kind of like iridescent medium, it makes it kind of sparkly and shiny. But this is like a pearl effect. Here's another blue. This is Azure Azure Blue, Azure. Yeah, see, look, this stuff is Frosted Pearl, has the pearl effect in it. So it's like a minty colour. Yeah, Frosted Mint Pearl. So yeah, definitely a minty colour. And this stuff, I've never actually had this colour before, copper. I have like bronze and gold and sterling silver and stuff like that, but I never had copper. Pretty sure I went to order this from Cork Art Supplies before, but they were sold out. So I got lucky this time. And the sale was on, so I was extremely lucky. Right, so yeah. Pearl, Mother of Pearl. I've used this stuff before. This is awesome stuff as well. Open it up and... Let me open it up this way. Try to get it to the surface without it spilling. Yeah, I love this stuff, it's awesome. When I'm at it, I guess I'll show off the copper. See, oh wow. That stuff looks awesome. I can't wait to use this. That's actually a bubble that's popping up. Oh. Can't wait to try this stuff out. So excited. This stuff, metallic rose. Hard to see it in this light, but yeah, it's extremely like sparkly. It's not like extreme glitter, but it's pretty sparkly. And this, I've never had this colour before either. It's called Flesh. They go nice with like purples and stuff like that. This one's Pearl Blush, so it's kind of like that pink, but it's a pearl effect on it. Look good with purple as well. Violet and all that. That's the last package. Oh, I like this stuff. Conifer green. Green is my favourite colour after all. Yeah, I like that stuff, that's nice. That's nice. Metallic emerald green. Now that sounds like an awesome colour. love it. This stuff is awesome. I've used this stuff in the painting I did for my mother. If I find a picture of it, I'll pop it up on the screen. It's the, well, you can see what colour it is really, and it's the kind of darkish colour in it. That with gold, and I think Dusty Rose was another colour that was in it. I wanted to get more of it because I wanted to make it kind of similar. Well, I know it's impossible to replicate the painting, but similar colours I think will turn out cool. Now the last colour I have for you today is metallic amethyst. I'm Irish, so I have a hard time pronouncing the THs. Yep, this stuff is awesome. So yeah, as you can see here to my left, I have a lot of paints. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 20 bottles of paints. Now if I do a video with all these, I don't think I'm going to put black in it. I'll put white plus all of these colours, and hopefully maybe I'll do it on this. Like I can't believe I got these for so cheap, like only €4. Every place I've seen round campuses are like 20 and €30 and stuff. Like this is so cheap. So yeah,